Good day, Ma'am MJ. Today I will present to you my Arduino activity, which is 7 segment display by 74HC595. Here's the code. We have here first to declare some variables. Latch pin is connected to digital pin 12. This will be our STCP of 74HC595. Clock pin is connected to digital pin 8. This will be our HSCP. Data pin is connected to digital pin 11. This will be our DS. After that, we have here a array. So basically what this array do is that it will store a patterns for the 7 segment display. So each number will control which segment will turn on or turn off. For example, 252 will be the 0 will display 0, 96 will be the 1, 208 will display 2 up until 142 will display letter F. For that, we'll have here setup. We will assign latch pin, clock pin, data pin variable as output using pin mode function. And then we will loop it. So in the loop, so if this loop will be true, so for example 0 up to 15, so it will display all the 16 characters 0 up to F. But first, I will explain to you the side of that loop. This one right here, digital write latch pin, will hold a value of low or will send a value of low using digital write. So it will temporarily disable the output update, and then after that, this shift out function, this will send a bit to the shift register 74HC595. Data pin will, this is where the bits go. Clock pin will move to the next bit, and then this one will send the most significant bit first. Then our array will be the actual number to send, like what number inside of the array will be sent. After that, for the high, so this is basically will display the new data using a high and digital write function. After that, we'll just have a milliseconds delay. In the next clip, I will show you the output